up, you fuckers? Today, we got some stock tail lights. Some guarded edging. Some knees. And today, we're getting ready to update that little shit. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't know, in the state of Hawaii, we need to have fender flares if your tires are poking out like they are right there. Right there. So you gotta have fender flares, you gotta have rear mud flaps, and you can't have clear taillights like these. $1,000, let me know. Custom. What do you mean? Shit. But yeah, anyway, just gonna vlog how I make them. So I already have a set of fender flares that I made, but those ones are somewhere. Oh, I think on the side of the house. But either way, the fender flares I made already stick out like hella because they're made for my forces. So I bought some more so that I can make a new set for the stance that I have now. So let me show you how we do this. So we got some garden edging from Home Depot, 60 feet of it. This is way more than you need. You only need maybe like 5 feet per fender. But when I made my forces, I needed to double stack them like that. So I needed a lot more than 20 feet. But we only need 5 feet per about. First thing we're doing, cutting this because we don't want this. Trust me, this bitch does not come off nice. You know what I'm saying? Watch, watch, watch. I lied, it comes off nice. Either way, get you a nice pair of metal shears. And then you're just gonna rough estimate. So what most of the local boys do, they just go like that and then they self-tap. Don't do that over here. I like to use the stock hardware. So no drilling, no extra holes every single year, you know what I mean? So what you want to do, see how much you want to poke out. You know what I'm saying? And in my case, they can be a dick because the mud flap isn't actually covering the whole tire. So because of that, I'm gonna also make this just as long. So yeah. So we're gonna guess, you see? We're gonna look down how much I need to stick out, maybe right about there. And then just make sure long enough. And then I'm gonna press where I know my screw is gonna need to go. Okay, right there. So my first hole is gonna be here. 1 second. Get you one of these. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Boom. Done. Where is it? M12 stubby, 10 mil. Boom. Okay. You with me? You with me? Oh. I got it. Boom. Okay. If this is too fast for you, if you're too slow, down below there's adjustments for slowing down the video. Okay. Next, our next stock hold is right here. Oh. We're gonna press this up against. Make sure to tuck it in nice and tight. Same thing, make sure it's covered. Right about there. Okay. Okay. We're almost done already. Shit, see what? Do you see the vision? Next one is here. We got one more right over here. Same thing, just remember to keep looking. Make sure you're blocking the tire. Alright, all secured, not going nowhere. Now, we're just gonna make it look pretty, you know what I'm saying? Make nice. See the angle, see the vision? Execute the vision. $10, Home Depot. That's it. Like I was saying earlier, I want to extend out my mud flap pretty much. So on my old Klearz, I already made a hole in my mud flap, but it's like down here so you can't see it. That way I can attach a zip tie and hold this guy nice and tight. So let's do that, okay? Same thing. Make sure you're aligned. Enjoy your hole where it needs to be. Just like that. Too damn good. I'm too good, you know what I mean? Again, if this is going by too fast and you can't pick up, slow the video down. That's all you gotta do, you know what I mean? Come on. And then you just leave the zip tie because you're just gonna take them off later. I'm just kidding, Always cut your zip ties flush. Lazy ass. Damn, look at that. No holes in the body of your car. Okay. Simple. Let's move to the front. We're on the front. Same process, just no zip ties anymore. Watch me. Just like that. Subtle. Gotta make it look nice even though it's only for a day. Can't be looking dumb. Shit. See him, look at that. If I was on safety inspector, I would pass me. Damn. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the roll of that at Home Depot is like 32 bucks. And just don't forget, when you do take them off, write on it with like a Sharpie or something, passenger rear, passenger front. That way for next year you can just take it out of storage, throw it back on. No holes besides that one in the mud flap. Alrighty, now we're gonna move over to changing out my tail lights. So clear. I don't know why you guys buying this stuff for $700. You guys crazy or what? Just make the damn thing. Right, be right back. Simple. 2 10 mils. 1, 2. Boom. Take out your bulbs, pop them in this one, put it back in. Done. We ready. Where's the safety inspector? Where's the safety inspector? Let me talk to him. I ready. Be right back. I'm gonna do the driver's side, and I'll show you the end result. Be right back. Just like that. It's over. Got a bunch left over. Klearz are off. Uglies are on. And this is what the stance is with the flares. Not bad, not bad. Look at those cuts, boy. All freehand. Let me get you some, let me get you some. Oh, look at that. Hella flush, boy. Yes, sir. You think I'll pass? I think I will. You already know. See, that's what I was talking about. If you don't suck it in tight enough. I mean, no matter what, you'll probably have something. But at least if you tighten it as much as you can, at least it'll not be as bad. But again, it's only for a day. All that is going back on as soon as I get my new sticker. Look, you know what that is? That's rare already. Let me know. You can buy that for me. 1200. Let me know. Vintage. Alright, y'all. That's it. Broke a sweat. We're ready for safety check. I hope I pass. And yeah. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification button. See you in the next one. Bye, bitch.